I'm Margot Catrini.
And I'm Dylan Cullinane.
Our project that we're doing, it's about native species in Marin. It's called Plants Are Punk. You can follow our Instagram, plantsarepunk_.
Yeah, so we're trying to address a pretty important issue, which is the fact that a lot of native plants in Marin are actually dying. And the reason this is because of invasive plant species. And what invasive plant species do is they actually take valuable resources from native plants, like soil and water, which leaves very little resources left over for these native plants to use. And this is an issue that we're sort of trying to solve with our project.
Yeah, so basically we're trying to solve this by spreading awareness about the negative effects of invasive species and spreading appreciation of our own native plants. Our Instagram page focuses a lot on what native plants we have here in Marin and how we can spread awareness of what we should be planting in our gardens, because a lot of people plant these invasive species not even knowing that it's harmful, and then they spread around the community.
What kind of support from the community would you wish for?
So we are actually holding a community event this Saturday, April 16th, and we're going to all meet at Deer Park at 8 a.m. and then drive up to Sky Ranch, which is a local open space preserve in our area. And what we're going to do is, with the help of some rangers and other volunteers from Marin County, is we're going to pull up different invasive species, so that the native species have more room to grow and are able to use all the resources that they need. And what we're hoping is that the community can just come out and help us with this event. It's going to be from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. You do not have to stay for the whole time, but we would love for people to just stop by and maybe help us out a little bit and just help preserve our open space lands.